everybody. Today we're going to do an unboxing of this PlayStation PowerA twin charging station for the DualSense wireless controllers for the PlayStation 5. Forgive me, this is a handheld video today. I did not have my tripod handy, but I wanted to do this anyway. So this is a PlayStation official licensed product. I got it on sale at Best Buy today for $17.99, and we're gonna unbox it and see what it looks like. So we're gonna start by cutting the tape here. That's why you do it with two hands. There we go. Plastic and the instruction manual. Oh, it looks like it's pretty simple. Only 4 steps. So we're just gonna lift this up. Has some weight to it. Which is nice, so it won't slide around as easily. It actually has a decent amount of weight. And then this one, unlike a lot of the other ones, actually has its own PC adapter. Plugs into the bottom there. And it's not USB, which actually is a little unfortunate, I guess. But there's its own power brick there. So looks nice in the PlayStation color scheme for sure. It's interesting, it doesn't use the USB-C, it uses the other contacts on the charger, or I'm sorry, on the controller. But that's how it charges, so that's pretty neat. They have a little protection over the actual pins, so if you can see right now, you can see the pins. You cannot, so whenever you set it down, the pins will be exposed. So yeah, that's it. Pretty small, will fit nicely, really wherever you need it to charge up your controllers.